present you a veg dish for all our vegetarian friends. But we have a very few amount of subscribers. So guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So I'm gonna tell you how you can make it totally no onion, no garlic, Methi Malai Paneer at the end. But for that you have to see the whole recipe very carefully. So let's start.
We are taking the paneer. I'm just marinating it with some salt and then shake well and keep it aside. After tossing, we will make a smooth paste of this. As you can see that I am using a very little oil. And now you have to work on your hand muscles and keep stirring the gravy so that it doesn't stick around your pan. Putting the paneer inside the gravy, you need to stir them very gently because I'm not frying the paneer before, so they're really soft. So keep that in mind. Finally, I have made it totally no onion and no garlic paneer. After that, just do a little bit of dressing with the kasuri methi and 3, and it's ready to serve. You can serve it with pulao or paratha or any type of jeera rice or peas pulao, anything you like. So please subscribe to our channel and share if you like it.
Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon because we come up with new videos every week.